Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope everyone's doing well today. Well, I have a new challenge. We have a Ford Escort RS 1600 and this challenge is race cars with numbers. As you can see, there's a number on the side there. That's what this challenge is. Race cars with numbers. And you have as many as you want. I've got about 13 here. I really wanted to bring out some really nice ones, and some I never bring out. So that's what we're starting off with right here. And okay guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one is a Chevy Monte Carlo SS. Dale Earnhardt, probably one of the most famous race car drivers in NASCAR, along with Richard Petty. And also known as Dale Earnhardt, known as the Intimidator. And he was a great driver, and I'll never forget that race, the day he died. Really sad day, but he'll always be remembered as the Intimidator. Dale Earnhardt, great driver. Alright guys, driver's side, we'll go to the next one. Glad I have this one in my collection. Don't plan on ever getting rid of it, as he was a great driver, and I am really glad to have this one in my collection. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Like I said, I have about 13, so it's going to be about a 20-minute video. And this next one is a Lancia Rally. Got real riders on it. And that's a great looking rally car. Glad this one's in my collection. I'm sure there's several people that have this one. It's a great casting. Absolutely love this casting. I think I got this one, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was Walgreens or Walmart, one of the two. Because Target, I never find anything ever, hardly ever. Very rare. Been well over a year since I've gotten anything there. I never go by there anymore. They never have anything. Okay, guys. Let's go to the next one. Like I said, I got several to show you. And some great castings here. 1949 Merc, or Mercury. And this is an M2. And it's got the number 03 on it. And it's such a great casting. I really like this car. I love the yellowish headlights on there. And it's got the Holly sponsorship on the side and on the rear. And that's a great casting. I love these Mercs. The 49 and the 50 Mercs are really nice looking castings. Like I said, I have a few to show you today. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500. And this came out of the 50th favorites, and this is really beautiful casting. I've got the whole set from 2018. I was lucky enough to get all of them. Not at one time, but it took me a few months to get all of them. Absolutely love this Ford Galaxy. I don't bring it out too often, but I sure like this Ford Galaxy. It's really a nice looking casting. And got the number 65 on there, Golf Edition, of course. I have several Golf cars, but this one is definitely my favorite. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Still got about 8 or 9 left. Okay guys. Next one. I just showed this one not too long ago. It's 1956 Aston Martin Dbr One. I have several of these in my collection. I have about 4 different paint variations of this. Well, I have 2 paint variations, or same paint variations on this one. But this one has numbers. The other one's just a plain green. And then I have 2 other colors. And it's a great casting. I absolutely love this. I love these old Aston Martins. You know, the old race cars look so great. I love the old school look. And I have quite a few in here with the old school look. Let's see, 1, 2, yeah, I have about 4 in here that have that old school look. 50s all the way up to early 70s. Alright guys, next side, next one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay guys, once again, this is my challenge. It's race cars with numbers. And this is the Alfa Romeo Giulia. And this is another casting I really love bringing out. It has that old school look on this one as well. Got some goodies coming up. I have, what, 7 left. And I absolutely love this casting. Got a little chip there on the hood there. Right above the grill. But I really, really like this casting. I love the square, you know, the square body look. It's just such a great looking casting. Hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite at the end of the video, and please subscribe, guys. Once again, this is Race Cars with Numbers Challenge. So we haven't had a challenge in a while, so I know there's one that Gary's doing. It's a traveling diecast, but I can't do it because I can't get out that much because of my issues I'm having. Alright guys, go to the next one. Next one's the Shelby Cobra Daytona. And this is another great looking casting. I got a lot of compliments on this one as well. There we go. Center it a little better. But this, I love this casting. I love the color of this shade of blue. It's a metallic blue and it's absolutely gorgeous. Great looking casting. It's also in early years of probably mid-70s, early to mid-70s. Great looking casting. Absolutely love this. We have 6 left after this one. We're already on 10.5, just over 10.5 minutes. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Once again, this is Race Cars with Numbers Challenge. They all must have numbers on the side or on the hood. And you can have as many as you want. I love just seeing everybody's collections like this. This is great. I love race cars. Racing's been in my blood since I was born. I love race cars. Alright guys, next one. There you go guys. I think you're going to like what you're going to see now. Ford GT40 from Matchbox. This is also old school. This is 60s. And every time I see this, I think of the movie Ford versus Ferrari, and that is such a great movie. I've seen it like 3 times, and I want to see it again. It's just so good. Such a great movie. One more full-time round, guys. Go to the next one. We have 5 left. Smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite at the end of the video, and please subscribe, guys. I'm away from 400, and I still haven't gotten any, but I'm going to do the giveaway once I hit that 400. Okay, guys. Next side, go to the next one. Some great castings coming up, and it's really going to get good as we go along here. Okay, guys. Next one. The Porsche 935, and this is the old school style, or this is probably 80s, 90s. But the next 2 are old school all the way. Most 60s, 70s. And this is such a great casting. I absolutely love this. Love the color, the blue and the white combination on this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's got Bill Stein and PPG sponsorship on there, along with Union 76. Petroleum or gas. It's just such a great casting. Absolutely love this casting. As you guys know, I love my Porsches and Ferraris and the exotic cars. And Jags and Aston Martins, Alfa Romeos. Okay guys, one more time around. Go to the passenger side or driver's side. Yeah, driver's side. We go to the next one. Driver's side's on the right there. European racing circuit. Just over 14 minutes. I got 4 left, so yeah, it's going to be close to 20. Okay, guys, let's go to the next one. Next one is a Porsche 962. Yeah, Porsche 962. That's definitely old school. This is 70s. Maybe very early 70s. I love these old race cars. Like I said there again, I'm old school. I love the old racing vehicles. And As you guys know, I love my Porsches. And I love this body style, as well as the next one, which is coming up after this. And once again, this is my challenge to all of you. Race Cars with Numbers Challenge. You can have as many as you want, as long as there's racing numbers on the cars. As you guys see, this has the number 1 on it. Dale Earnhardt has the number 3. The last one was a 09, which was the Porsche 935. Alright guys, this next side, we're going to go to the next one. We have 3 left. Okay guys, let's go to the next one. This is a Ferrari P4. And this one's got custom rims on it. I got this online and absolutely love this Ferrari. Love the body style on this. I love the custom wheels on this. They did a wheel swap. This makes this Ferrari just really stand out. Just so beautiful. I love the color. Just the rims go great with this casting. This is definitely one of my favorites that I'm showing you tonight, or today I should say. And hope you guys enjoy this. Okay guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. And I think I'm gonna like the next 2. Next one. It's a 71 Datsun 510. And this is a Mini GT from Kato House. Designed by Junamai. Former Hot Wheels designer. Before he went out on his own. Yes, he is the designer of this casting. Absolutely love it. And this has the number 39 on it. And this is the Datsun 71 Datsun 510 Pro Street. This is just such a great casting. I absolutely love this. I love the orange color. And once again, this is the Race Cars with Numbers Challenge. Have as many as you want. I want to see a lot. And this casting is absolutely gorgeous. Very well done. I love having this in my collection. Alright guys, this next side, we're going to go to the next one. And it will be the last one. Yep, I got a minute and 10 seconds, and it'll be 20 minutes, so it'll probably be just over 20. Alright guys, last one, and of course, it's the purple Datsun 71 Datsun 510 Pro Street from Kato House / Mini GT. And it's definitely right up there among my favorites that I've showed you tonight, along with the Ferrari. Like I said, I love every one of these castings. They're just such great castings. And there again, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Get the word out. This is my Race Cars with Numbers Challenge. Have as many as you want, as long as it has racing numbers on the sides. You can have sponsorships, but it must have racing numbers on the sides or on the hood. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that thumbs up, comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite, and please subscribe, guys. You guys have yourselves a good day. Be good to each other. Be well. And I will see you guys in the next video. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.